The chicken meat is delicious hatched during the day. Suban is a hunter. This time he brought 82-year-old fish. After the rainy season, a large number of chickens have gathered in the water pit. Those who often catch chickens know that this kind of creature is very sensitive to the surrounding movements. As soon as there is a gust of wind, it will quickly run away. However, Suban has 50 years of experience in hatching chickens. He only sees the hand holding the fishing rod, aiming at the water quickly. A fat and beautiful chicken is caught in the net. From the age of 13, Suban was born as a hatching chicken. Now more and more people use it as a reliable source of food. There is not much food that can be obtained in this rainforest. Hatching chickens are an important protein. In contrast to catching, it is a little more troublesome to process the chicken. The skin is removed and the internal organs are removed. As for cooking, Suban is completely left to his wife. Cut the processed chicken into small pieces. Heat the oil on a large fire. Then add vanilla extract and chili to remove the fishy smell. Stir-fry over high heat. A plate of fragrant fried chicken is served on the table in an instant. A bowl of rice is served. This is a delicious meal for Suban and his wife. In Jalimandan Island, the fisherman Shalimu is making shrimp paste. In the past, he often used bamboo sticks to make shrimp paste. Now there is a plastic net. Shalimu can make dozens of shrimp paste a day. At this time, the water level of the fishing boat is rising. Shalimu must be very careful. There are crocodiles everywhere in the water. The day before yesterday, he had caught a dragon. These crawfish taste delicious. They are also very big. But Shalimu will not kill them all at once. Instead, he will release small and pregnant shrimp. The bait for baiting shrimp here only requires a small piece of wood. Be very careful when placing the shrimp cage. Crocodiles may take the opportunity to pull people into the water. Every year, on this river, fishermen die of starvation. Although they set up many bait cages and warning signs, there are a lot of crocodiles here. And these are salty water crocodiles. Extremely aggressive. Fishing here has become a very risky way of survival.